Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to change the orientation of the column. So this is our etab file. Here you can see the model, and if you see the column position orientation, all the external columns in the vertical rows at the end are vertical in position, but we have given horizontal. So in order to change, we have to select all these columns first, those you want to change. Okay, then you have to go to assign frame. Here there is an option of local axis. So click on local axis. Here there is an option that rotate by an angle 90 degree we have given. So if you click on apply, click on OK, you will see the positions of the column or orientation of the column is changed. So this is the way you can change the column orientation. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe our other etabs video also. Thank you.